Hello everyone, this is Coach Claire, and today I'll share with you how to solve storage problems for your photos and videos. This is one of the 10-minute How to Google series. Let's start! For the outline, I'll briefly discuss to you introduction to Google Photos, what you need for you to use this one, what are the allowable file types, the backup options, Google Photos, high quality versus original. I found this article very useful, so I'll share it with you, and of course the actual demonstration. So, what is this Google Photos? Google Photos is a photo sharing and storage service developed by Google in May 2015. It's like 5 years ago. Google Photos gives users free, unlimited storage for photos and videos. And it can back up your photos and access them anywhere. So it's like cloud-based. So what would you need? What do you need for you to use this one? Number one, you should have a good internet connection. Number two, a Gmail account, since it's a Google service. Number three, you need a Macintosh or personal computer, Android, iPhone or iPad, connected cameras and SD cards for you to be able to use this service. So please take note of this. Your files will not be backed up if your photos are larger than 200 megabytes or 150 megapixels. Your files or your videos, if videos are larger than 10 gigabytes, it will not also be backed up here in the Google Photos. And if your images are smaller than the 256 by 256, this was used for logo making. So, what are the allowable file types? First, for photos, we have this like file types. For videos, we also have this one. Take note, like .mp3 is not here, it's just only .mp4. And if you try to back up a file type not listed here, it may not work with Google Photos. So just take note of that. It means to say it will be charged against your Google Drive storage of 15 gigabytes. Okay, so when you upload a photo to Google Photos, this is what will happen. A prompt dialog box will come out and it will ask you for the upload size. So for example, in my case, I only have 4 gigabyte left in my Google Drive. So if I will copy the original full resolution, it will be counted against my quota. But if, example, now it's more than the allowable file size, it will be converted to a high quality, and of course it's free unlimited storage. So it means great visual quality at reduced file size. Okay. And there are actually backup options. First is the original quality. So it will be charged against your limited free storage of 15 gigabytes in your Google Drive. All photos and videos are stored in the same resolution that you took them, so it's like the original. Recommended for photos that have more than 16 megapixels or videos with more than 1080 pixels. And of course, we have the high quality. You will get unlimited free storage. Photos are compressed to save space. If a photo is larger than 16 megapixels, it will be resized to 16 megapixels. Videos higher than 1080 pixels or 1080 pixels will be resized to high definition 1080 pixels. Okay, so in the Google Photos, once you go to Google Photos, this is what you'll see. To say, welcome to Google Photos with unlimited high quality storage. You can safely store all your photos from your computer and phone. So take note, it can be from a computer or your phone. Your phone can, if you have the Android phone, so you'll get it on Google Play. If you had an Apple gadget, like an iPad or an iPhone, so it will be, you will use this one, download on the App Store. Okay, and this is the good thing. It's a back up a lifetime of photos. So since it's free, it's unlimited storage. And you can also use this application, the backup and synchronize. It will automatically back up photos from your Mac, Macintosh, or personal computer, connected cameras, and SD cards. The same thing for mobile devices. So this one is for the computer or the Macintosh. Okay, so I'll invite you to our group. Let me first give you a demo. But before that, here. This is a very, very useful article I got. I searched. So the title is Google Photos, High Quality versus Original. What's the difference and should you care? So see here, I'll just briefly bring you down here. So see what happens to smaller images. So this is the original, it's at 12.19. And this is now the Google Photos. It's still 12.19, but the file size here is 16.7, and here it's just 1.05. So this is the difference now. So it does not make a lot of difference anyway. But to show you the details here, we have an original image and the Google Photos high quality. So see if I drag this slider, does not really matter a lot. It's okay. And of course, for this one, for a more close-up, it's the same. So apparently, there's not much difference, even for a shot from an S8, maybe Samsung 8. And what about for larger images larger than 16 megapixels? So this is it. This one is 3840 by 5120 or 19.66. Remember, for Google, it will only allow up to 16. So what will happen? This 19, it will be reduced, but I think it's more or less the same. Okay, so just check this out. Here are the phonearena.com news Google Photos high quality versus original. What's the difference and should you care? So we still have 3 more minutes, so let's go. Basically, I have already here my account. I'll just log in with my password and susunod because it's in Tagalog. Okay, so here we go. So in the services, we'll try to search for photos. Here it goes. This is Google Photos. There you go. The Google Photos, and so basically you have there the photos. If you drag it here, you can drag it here, you can upload it. Thanks. There's an album. This Google Photos uses artificial intelligence. It means to say that once you copy your photos here, it will just automatically put it in the albums. If it's his people, it will place in the people. If it's his places, things, and even the videos, it will be organized here. And you can even make collages and animations and movies. And of course, it also has something for you, and you can even share. There's a sharing option. Okay, I'll just put it this way so that I'll be able to show you. I'll just drag and drop. Okay, so I already created a folder here with Google Photos here. Here you go. So here are some of my photos. I'll just drag all of these photos. So by the way, although it was not listed there, you can also add GIF for animations. There you go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, come on, here. So we have a minute and a half left. Sorry. Okay, I'll just paste it here. So there you go. Okay, let me see. So that's my GIF. Okay. Oh. Don't copy. So let me see. So this is a GIF. Okay. Let's try to see what happened. Oh. Sorry, I closed it. Here we go then. So there you go. All of these files are copied now. So I have this video. So if I go to the album, although it will not automatically set. So all the videos are already in the videos folder. So that's it, and I will share more in the next video. Lastly, of course, please join our Freelance Coaching 101 with Coach Claire Claire, the Facebook page, and please also visit my YouTube channel. So it's Freelance Coaching 101 with Coach Claire Claire. Please subscribe and watch for more videos. You can also connect with me through coachclairclair@gmail.com. Okay, bye-bye now.